At 10, part game, part tech demo, it's Glass. Thunderbirds puzzle their way to number 9. Limitless and epic Space Adventure Elite makes it to number 8. We're beating up bad guys at number 7, in this case with a sledgehammer. It's the original one-man army, Commando, at 6. Green Elf shot the food. Gauntlet is at 5. Dick Jones is wanted for murder. Robocop, number 4. License to Kill is at number 3. I just like it, alright? Be at school, away from school. School Days at 2. Which means that the number 1 Spectrum game, in my opinion, can only be Jet Set Willy 2. A huge and eccentric game, almost impossible to complete, and equally as impossible to put down. There's always something more to explore in Willy's Mansion.